Hi, my name is Harshal and I'm from Trescent Lifestyles. I'm going to give you a demonstration of the world's most ultimate screen from Stewart Filmscreen, the director's choice screen. I'm going to show you different aspect ratios starting with the 4:3 aspect ratio. As you can see, this is a four-way masking screen with the horizontal and the vertical panels moving to give you the exact size of a 4:3 picture. I will now show you the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is used by a lot of satellite dish TV and Blu-ray players. And now we'll go to the cinema scope, which is a 2.35. The screen installed in India is the world's largest four-way masking screen by Stewart Filmscreens, and the best part about it is when you're done watching a movie, the entire screen closes. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the demonstration of the Stewart Filmscreen Director's Choice installed by Trescent Lifestyles in India.